So students, after calculating the series and the parallel combination questions, now we are having the same kind of question but in a very complex way. So let's suppose we are having a 3 resistors here, 3 ohm each, and are connected to the battery, that is 3 volt here. Okay, so now the current drawn will be calculated, that is from the 3 volt battery. Okay, now you don't have to calculate here the current that is going through a particular resistor, but in the whole circuit what is the current flowing. Okay, now as you can see here, there are 3 ohm resistors like this, and these are in series combination to each other. Okay, and the third one like this is in the parallel combination with these 2 values. Okay, so here we will consider that these 2, one is the R1 and R2, and this third one is the R3. Okay, so these 2 can be calculated in a series manner, and the result of these 2 will be calculated in the parallel form with this one. Okay, now how we are going to solve this? Let's see. Okay, the first one is that R1 and R2 is in series combination, yes, right? And we can easily calculate it by adding, because in series combination R equivalent will always be equals to R1 plus R2. And so on. If there are more resistors, then we can even add more to it. Okay, but here are only 2 resistors that are in series combination, so we are adding only 2 1. Okay, so 3 plus 3 gives you 6 ohm. So we can consider that R equivalent here is as R dash, because R equivalent will be equivalent if we are taking this one also. That is why we are not writing here as R equivalent, we are considering it as R dash only. Okay, so R dash will be 3 ohm plus 3 ohm gives you 6 ohm. Fine. Now this R dash will be combinedly can be formed as R dash, and this is in parallel combination to this R third like this, R1 and R3. Okay, so R1 combinedly, that is 6 ohm now, and this one is 3 ohm. Okay, so it is clear by diagram also. So now in this case, because these 2 are in parallel combination, so we can find the value of R equivalent now. R equivalent will be 1 upon I1 R dash plus 1 upon R3. R dash is the value that we have found with the equivalent of this series combination. Okay, now you know that 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3 will gives you 1 upon 2. Okay, and the R equivalent for this whole circuit will give you the value of 2 ohm now. Okay, because reversing the value of 1 upon R equivalent, 1 upon 2 will gives you R equivalent is equals to 2, reversing these 2 to the upward direction. Okay, now current drawn from the battery, you know the formula. The formula is V is equals to I multiply by R, Ohm's law. Yes, so here I will be is equals to V divided by R, that is 3 divided by 2 and 1.5 ampere. So that is how you can find the value of current drawn in the full circuit, that is 1.5 ampere, after calculating the resultant resistance of the circuit. And that is too tricky. Why? Because we are having 2 series combination and 1 in parallel one. So first of all, you always find the value of series first. Then combining these 2, you can write it like this R dash, and now you can find the value of parallel combination.